In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contracts for HubSpot CRM contacts. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting with HubSpot, this guide will help you streamline your contract creation process, making it simpler and more efficient. Let's dive right in. To begin, you must head over to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and entering HubSpot's URL. Once there, you'll see the familiar interface designed to serve your business needs. If you've visited the site before, you'll recognize the login button. Click on it to gain access to your HubSpot account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can navigate through the various tools HubSpot offers. Here, you'll find an array of features, but today our focus is on CRM. Spot the CRM option on your dashboard and click it. This takes you a step closer to managing your contracts effectively. Now we're getting into the essential part of our task, handling deals. In the CRM section, you'll see the deals option. Selecting this brings you to the deals page, which is central to creating and managing contracts within HubSpot. This area allows you to organize, track, and manage your sales deals, offering a cohesive view of all your sales operations. With that said, the next step is to click on Create Deal. What you're doing here is setting up a new record of your interaction, sales process, or any contract you need to formalize with a contact. It's straightforward and ensures that every deal you work on is recorded and tracked efficiently. As the creation window opens, you will see a user-friendly form ready for you to fill in. This is where editing your deal comes into play. Make sure to input all essential details about the contact and the terms of your deal. HubSpot offers various fields where you can document specifics like deal amount, close date, or any notes you find pertinent to the contract. Tailoring this information to suit your contract needs is crucial. It ensures that you have all the relevant details at hand, giving you a polished and organized deal overview. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've efficiently created a contract for your HubSpot CRM contacts, making your sales operations smoother, more documented, and definitely more professional. Remember, keeping your deals up to date and accurately recorded benefits not just you but your entire sales team by providing clear visibility into what's happening with your contacts and contracts. With practice, this process becomes second nature, allowing you to focus on the more strategic aspects of your business. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more HubSpot tips.